Hello friends, welcome back to Bytech Pro channel. In this tutorial, we are going to see Python for aptitude. Our second topic is compound interest. They will ask 5 types of question. First one is find the interest in compound annually, and next one is find the interest in compound half yearly, and third one is find the interest in compound quarterly, and fourth one is find the principal amount, and fifth one is find the number of years. And next one is there are 5 formulas there. First one for compound annually, and second one for compound half yearly, and third one for compound quarterly, and fourth one for principal amount, and fifth one for find the number of years. There are some sample questions there. Now we are going to see how to write the program, and I will explain this. I already wrote the program, just now explained. First one is import make. I explained the yearly. Next, print what you want. Already told in simple interest program. What do you want? Amount annually, amount quarterly, amount half yearly, amount principal, time period. What do you want? Click any one. Then while condition true na is there. So while condition true na, choice equal to input number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, therefore 5 missing, so is there 5. And the next one is if choice equal to 1 now, what is 1? 1 annually. What is formula? A equal to P star power of 1 plus R power R by T 100 comma T. This is not comma T, this is power of T. And what you need input? Principal amount, rate of interest, and time period. So we call the input principal amount equal to float input, and then the principal amount, rate of interest equal to float input, and then the rate of interest and time period. Okay, same thing. Next, if choice equal to 2 now, what is 2? Amount half yearly. What is difference between annually, half yearly, quarterly now? This time period only. Is there 1t? There were 2t. Python do not subtract 2t. I mean power of 2t, power of 4t, power of 5t do not subtract. So we can write t plus t. Same kind of thing. I write quarterly and 4t for t plus t plus t plus t. And the last one is principal amount. This is a formula for principal amount. A by divided by power of 1 plus RT comma t. This is a principal amount for annually. If you want quarterly or half yearly, you can add extra t. If you want quarterly extra, you can add 3t. And next last one is time period for annually. Okay, this is a time period. This is time period of annually. If you want change in quarterly or half yearly, just to change, just 2, the 2's come to divide by this there, and half yearly quarterly 4, the 4 this compare here. Okay, so we can write this way you will write the program. Then run the program. What do you want? Our first question is see. Our first question is, what will the compound interest of sum of as 25,000 after 3 years at the rate of interest is 12%. The given data here, principal amount equal to 25,000, time period equal to 3, and rate of interest is 12. What is the compound interest? Just run the program. What do you want? Amount annually. Click one option and enter. Principal amount is 25,000. And rate of interest is 12. Number of years is time period is, what is time period? 3 years. Then print. Our first answer is overall amount. This is a compound interest. Overall amount is 35,123. Compound is 10,123. Okay, this is a different. And next one is, what is find the amount of as 8,000 in 1.5 years at 5% per annum compound interest of a half yearly. They ask amount, and they given that is principal amount and time period and rate of interest. Just we open our Python program, run again. Now I want half yearly. So run the 2. Enter principal amount is 8,000. Rate of interest is 5 then. Rate of interest is 5%. Number of years 1.5 years. Then enter. Our principal amount is 8,615. Our compound interest is 615. And next question is the compound interest of 8,000 2 years, 20% per annum interest being come quarterly. Same question but some different year and as quarterly. Run again. Quarterly 3. Print 3. Enter amount is 8,000. Interest is 20%. And time period is 2 years. Principal amount is 11,819. Compound interest is 3,890. Okay. Our next question is the total amount is 4,500 and the rate of interest is 9% in 5 years. Find the principal amount. I think this is annually. So run again. Now we want fourth one. Just fourth. Click. Don't give any spaces for input. So write 4. Enter amount. Amount is 4,500. 9%. 5 years. Principal amount is, what is principal amount? Principal amount is 2,924. Our compound interest is 1,575. Next one is the compound interest is 30,000 and 7% per annum. 4,347 is principal. Compound interest is 30,000, 70% per annum as 4,347 is interest. And predict number of years. They has number of years. Given data is amount is 34,347 and principal amount is 30,000. Number of rate of interest is 7. They ask time period. So open a PyCharm. Run again. So now 5. Enter overall amount 34,043. Rate of interest is 7. 5 years. This is amount. Wait there. Something wrong. 34,007. Rate of interest 7. 30,000. Okay, something wrong. Run again. First one is fifth one. Enter overall amount is 347 and interest is 7. Principal amount is 30,000 and number of years is 1.9 something. So yes, overall 2 years. Okay. This is Python program for compound interest. We can change anything. This is their math log function. This log function does not work without import max. Is working with import math. Okay, thank you friends. If you like this video, like and share and also subscribe.